from fairly humble beginnings. I've lived both the rural and the urban life. I was raised by my father and my late grandmother, who later taught us how to use cow dung to smear onto roundable floors, as well as farming methods. I've spent the past 11 years devoting my passion as a writer and a theatre actress, and my television debut came in 2019 when I was playing the lead role ka Queen Ibanati on a thrilling drama series ebizwa Ifalakhe, which is currently showing on Showmax. I am also here to present Ngcobo, my debut book, which is Amaloba the Traces, currently going on a global book tour. Amaloba the Traces is a very intriguing poetry collection which takes you through a multitude of journeys covering love, joy, grief, humanity, identity, resilience, but most importantly, topics that are based on youth and women empowerment, which are urgent topics in a world where we tend to lose so much of ourselves, especially as women, trying to be what society wants us to be and beyond. Ngiyamthanda ke uChimamanda Ngozi Adichie. Angazi sibanga ke sibaziyo uChimamanda Ngozi Adichie. Bangakabamaziyo. Engathi sanomsebenzi kumele siwenze. Ngiyamthanda ke uChimamanda Ngozi Adichie uma ngabe ethi women have a choice to be as feminine as they want, and that doesn't mean they have to wear oversized suits to be taken seriously. And she goes on to say ukuthi, I wish ukuthi abantu besilisa they can wear high heels and see if they can really keep their postures. So sisa celebrate ke nenyanga yabantu besifazane. Ngithanda nje ukufunda enye yembhalo yami la itholakala ku page 4 ithi imbokodo. Please do enjoy. We are not just pretty faces, let's face it. We are proud villagers of muddy huts, lived lives so tough, walked the earth, left footprints on this land of our forefathers. Thina sakhulela emaphandleni, sisinda izindlu, sitheza izinkuni, sisiphula izidindi ezingadini. Sasilima amasimo emini bebade, sitshala imifino sizama impilo. Sasihamba sitshakadula, sisina sivunula, sihuba izingoma zomdabu. Sasimfoma izithukuthuku lapho sesidonsa umqansa siyidlanzana kusempondo zaNkomo, sithwele imiphongolo to deliver kilometers back home. We have walked this earth. We are proud women of Africa. We are proud women of Africa, bearers of hard and demeaning lives. We are descendants of great kingdoms, descendants of great warriors who fought and won battles. We are proud women of Africa, furnished with hourglass figures, full lips, thick thighs, wide hips. We are bold and beautified like the sands through the hourglass sea. We walk in perfection and affection. Sihamba kuzwakale. African woman, you are an ancient sculpture, the smell of good mud. We are proud women of Africa. African woman, you are an ancient sculpture, the smell of good mud. African woman, you are a woman of wisdom, the maker of traditional African dish umbaqanga. African woman, you are a woman of honor, the maker of traditional African beer Ngcobo in my language. We are proud women of Africa. African woman, you are a woman of strength, a hard grinding stone, imbokodo egaya ngobuchule nangobunyonico. We are proud women of Africa. Inkondlo yesibili ngizoyidedicatela again to abantu besifazane since we celebrate vele inyanga yethu angithi. This one is a call and response poem. So ngizothi mangithi rise up women of Africa, thina sizothini? Sizothi rise up. So rise up women of Africa, rise up.
Rise up.
Rise up, women of Africa, rise up.
Rise up.
Stretch your rainbows across the sky. Rise up, women of Africa. Turn your faces towards the sun. Rise up, women of Africa. Stretch your feeble arms and weak knees. Come out on wings like eagles. Dwell in the wings of the morning. Do not be discouraged. Do not be disheartened. Even when defeat overtakes, get back to the base, but don't stop the music. Rise up, women of Africa, rise up.
Rise up.
Education is a part of life. We need it to survive, so do your best. Don't settle for less. Be influenced to be the change you wish to see. Sufficiently ambitious and determined to succeed. Education is like a tree that bears fruits. It needs roots. Without roots, it bears no fruits. Rise up, women of Africa, rise up.
Rise up.
Rise up, women of Africa, rise up.
Rise up.
Even in the midst of storms, remember, on the far side, you will find victory. So let the emotional scars remain in the dustbin of history. Beat your own drum until you find the hidden mystery. Rise up, women of Africa, rise up.
Rise up.
Spread your wings, prosper beyond your wildest dreams. Open the eyes of your mind to greater possibilities, no matter the adversities. Remembering, every day is a new day and only you can make your dreams become a reality. Rise up, women of Africa, rise up.
Rise up.